Hi and good evening. Firstly, heartfelt gratitude to all the members of the media who made time to come here today. It's an exceptionally special evening for most of us cinema lovers, more importantly for us at AA Films and Dharma Productions. This collaboration means the world to me because I'm collaborating with a filmmaker whose work I have not only studied and observed, but adored and loved and applauded on several occasions. His vision, his epic vision, his magnitude, his opulence, his scale, but more importantly, his utmost humility with the way he has presented his work on celluloid is jaw-dropping and really something that I think every filmmaker in the world should emulate. Bahubali is a film that I want to just share with you a few elements of trivia that actually went into its making. It's been shot for over 380 days over a span of 3 years. And I'm sure the prep work of that began even before that. So it's a film, when you say a filmmaker lives with a film, breathes with a film, sleeps, eats, and I'm sure members of his family can vouch for what it must have transpired for him on a personal and professional level to tell this kind of story only for celluloid. His major outings, we all know, he's made many pieces of work that have been not only achieved blockbuster status, but some have been cult along with being blockbuster, like his film Eega that was dubbed into Hindi as Makhi, which really has a cult following worldwide with everyone who's seen it. Magadhira, which set new standards. And I have one thing in common. He made a film called Student Number One, which I'm very happy to report has some kind of synergy with what I made. Of course, he made a far better film, but I feel that I have something in common with the man himself, Rajamouli. His vision, and everyone who knows anything about him will tell you, and from that part of the world and the world beyond, that there isn't a filmmaker like him. So before we applaud him and honor him, I'd like to share with you the first look of this epic vision, which I believe and I know, and I'm sure after you see, you will realize yourself, is the biggest motion picture made in India. Undoubtedly, no doubt about that. No one can challenge that. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the first look of Bahubali. He's promised he will speak for 20 minutes. All yours, sir.
Hope my 1 minute doesn't sound like 20 minutes. Good evening, everyone. It's been 3 years since I stood before you with Makhi, and I'm very excited to be with you again with Bahubali. Bahubali is not just a dream for me. It's not just a dream come true for me. I have been living in this world for as long as I can remember. I mean, the characters of Bahubali, Ballal Deva, Sivagami, Kattappa, all these characters came just few years ago. But the world of larger than life characters, larger than life emotions, larger than life environments, everything, I have been living in that world for as long as I can remember. I must thank Uncle Pai, Anant Pai of Amar Chitrakkatha, who infused these fantasies into me. And I must thank my producers, Shobhu and Chinna, who stood along with me to build this world. And all my technicians, be it the story writer, my father, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad, my cousin, my guiding light, Mr. M.M. Cream, art director Sabu Cyril, my DOP Sendil Kumar, my visual effects supervisor, Mr. Srinivas Mohan, and many technicians and hundreds and thousands of workers who worked for this film. Without all of them, I couldn't have put all these bricks together to build this world. It's a very proud moment for us to bring this world of Bahubali to you. And to do that, we needed a visionary who can present this world to you. And I must thank Mr. Karanji for coming on board to present Bahubali to you in the right manner, which is supposed to be done. I think I forgot many of the words that I rehearsed, but but thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And I have to say, it's truly an honor. As I say, I speak on behalf of Dharma Productions and AA Films. It's an honor to showcase your film and bring it to this part of the country. And more than anything else, I think not only does it pushes the cinema envelope, but it creates new territory for celluloid. And I think it makes every cinegoer and every Indian to be a proud part of your vision. So thank you very much for bringing the film to us. And we have the team and all the forces that spent 380 long, tedious, and exceptionally fruitful days on the filming of Bahubali with us, who I'd like to call and invite on stage. Of course, I believe, being a producer myself, that the producer is the heartbeat of any film. So I'd like to call them on stage first. I'd like to call Shobhu, who's the first one-point contact I had on this film, and to Prasad, both of them who actually have been, I think, the left and right arm on the making of this film. So could we please have you on stage, sir? Both of you. And to present this film with me has been my oldest friend, my college friend, and someone who I think taught me about the business of the movies, where sometimes, you know, we get caught up in our creative world. He is my one-point contact, not only for what the commerce realities are of the movies, but has also been my dearest friend for over 2 decades, Anil Thadani. We have 2 lovely ladies who have been luminaries in the heartbeat of Telugu cinema, but have also contributed so beautifully to the proceedings of Bahubali. Could I please invite on stage Anushka Shetty, and Tamanna Bhatia, the 2 lovely leading ladies of our film, Bahubali, to please join us on stage. To make a bad boy look really good takes a lot. And a friend of mine and someone who actually made the first call to me about this film, I'd like to invite my friend Rana, who looks very mean up there on celluloid. And Bahubali. Please can we invite Prabhas on stage. Lead actor, huge star, and from what I hear, has coupled twice with Anushka and given 2 blockbusters, and we're hoping this is the 3rd. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the cast and the forces behind Bahubali, and I'm opening all the questions to the house. A humble request. It's an unusual experience for us because this is an unusual collaboration. So the request is, let's talk about films, let's talk about cinema, and let's make this evening special. Thank you very much for bearing with us. Thank you. Please, everyone, sit. Come, sit. Yeah, where are you comfortable? Yeah, okay. Up to any one of us in the house.
Okay,
Thank you.
Rajamouli sir. Sir here. Rajamouli sir. Congratulations for the trailer. It looks epic. My question to you is, I really admire your vision, first of all. My question to you is that how much time did it really took to conceptualize and to write down, and then Karan sir said that it was 380 days of shoot, but even before that, how many total months, amount of year it took for Bahubali to come on screen?
Thank you very much. And surprisingly, the story part took, we finished it quite quickly. 2.5 months to 3 months, we had the whole script on our hands. But from then onwards, doing the concept sketches, doing the pre-visualization work, setting up the locations, building the sets. It took the whole 2.5 years because we were continuously doing. We took almost 1 year for the pre-production, but even after the shooting started, we kept on doing. In fact, the concept artists who started at the beginning of the film, even after the shooting is over 3 months back, they are still in our office working on the visual effects look and feel of the film.
Okay.
हाय
how
करण करण, जहाँ तक हम आपकी फिल्मों की बात करें, बड़े बड़े लोकेशंस होते हैं, बड़े
आप
बड़े
हो कहाँ पहले? हाँ सॉरी हाँ
फैमिली ड्रामा होती है।
जी।
ये फिल्म ने ऐसा क्या आपको कन्विंस किया कि आप इसे
देखिए, कन्विंस करने की जरूरत, नाम सुन के मैं कन्विंस हो गया। इनका काम मैं बहुत देख चुका हूँ, बहुत सराह चुका हूँ और बेहद मोहब्बत है मुझे इनके काम के साथ। तो जब मैंने इनकी जो फिल्म देखी थी ईगा, तो मैं पूरा पागल हो गया, क्योंकि मक्खी पे पूरी पिक्चर बनाना, यहाँ बड़े बड़े सितारों के साथ हम कभी कभी गलत पिक्चर बना लेते हैं। एक मक्खी के ऊपर एक पूरी पिक्चर बनाना और कन्विंसिंगली बताना, वहां इमोशंस डालना और वो सब एक कहानी दौर बताना, ये काम सिर्फ एक जीनियस कर सकता है। तो जब राणा का फोन मुझे आया था, उन्होंने कहा कि ये उनकी विजन है, मैंने सुन चुका था कि ये ऐसी फिल्म बन रही थी और हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी पिक्चर बन रही है। बड़ी स्केल्स की बात नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि हम सब बहुत पैसे खर्च करते हैं, लेकिन उन पैसों को सही ढंग से खर्च करना और उस विजन को इस बदौर इस स्केल पे दिखाना, और जहां एक इमोशनल ग्राफ भी हो, ऐसी फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं, शायद बनी ही नहीं हिंदुस्तान में। मैंने ये विजन, मैं ज्यादा कहूंगा तो लोग कहेंगे कि मैं पागल हो चुका हूं, लेकिन ऐसी विजन मैंने मुगले आजम में देखी है, जिसमें एक इमोशनल है, कनेक्ट है और एक स्केल और ऑप्यूलेंस है। उसके बाद मैंने शायद ही मुझे ऐसी मटेरियल मैंने देखी हो जिसने मुझे पर्सनली इतना इमोशनली चार्ज किया है। तो आई वाज सो, जैसे कि द फेमस लाइन इन हॉलीवुड सेज ही हैड मी एट हेलो, दिस टाइम राणा हैड मी एट राजमौली। He just said Rajmouli, I said I'm on, put my name anywhere you want on this film. मैं कहीं भी, मैं लास्ट क्रेडिट पे भी नाम डाल देते, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाता। देखो क्या होता है कि किसी ने इतनी मेहनत की हो और हम चढ़ जाए क्रेडिट खाने, हम बहुत अच्छे हैं इस डिपार्टमेंट में।
Karan sir,